We in Clemente Beach, Orange County. We're on the little bike trail. They don't have a lot of bike trail here, so we go ahead and start it. It's beautiful. Along the trail here, there's a railroad track. Quite nice. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny. A lot of desert sort of plants or cactus here on the left. That might be kind of the end, or maybe go to another trail. Well, oh yeah. Quite nice bridge here. Going down a little bit, gotta be careful. Beautiful bike path here, absolutely gorgeous. And those wood walkway or bridges really nice along the hills. You can actually go up there too. Wow, this section is really nice, I tell you. And sometimes you even see Amtrak train coming by. Look at those nice bridges. Wonderful, wonderful trails in walkways and bridge and all the way back.